Welcome to our YouTube series. In this case, we're going to take a look at the sheet metal tool called Lofted Flange. The Lofted Flange can be used for doing things like square to squares, rectangular to square, or square to round scenarios. So the sketch setup is essentially two profiles away from each other. This is a work plane that's 100 units away from the other one. And the Lofted Flange works by just selecting those two profiles. So I'm going to go Lofted Flange between profile 1 and profile 2. It then has a couple of settings for things like the chord size or tolerance. We can also set the specific distance across that there. So we'll say we want a 2mm distance. So it's 1, 2, 3 segments, 2 meters across the outside. It also does try to follow the profile as best it can in order to unfold it. So it can unfold these as well. So we'll say, and also inside and outside of the profile. So if this is the inside of the profile, you can also switch it to the outside or half in and half out, and that's the thickness of the sheet metal defaults that you would be using. I'm going to represent it on the inside. So this is the outside total size. We'll say OK to that. Alternatively, we can use it on the other sketch. So let's go and turn that one on. Let's turn this body off. We'll create a new body. So we'll activate the Lofted Flange tool, select our profile 1, profile 2. We want to create a new body. And we want a distance of, say, so that the smaller the segments, the more edges it adds. We'll go for about a 20. So that's a 20 length on each one of those segments. A nice little tool for being able to unfold and create sheet metal items. If you want to check out more of our series, go ahead. And that's the Lofted Flange tool.